let's go over how you can change the perspective of an object using Affinity Designer. Now, the good thing about using Designer to do something like this is that you can change the perspective of virtually anything, whether it be a single object, a grouping of objects, or even a text object. The only thing this won't work with is pixel-based images. So for this demonstration, we will be using this text object here. So what you want to do is click on your object to select it, come up to where it says Layer, go to Warp Group, and choose Perspective. And once you do that, you will have these nodes on your canvas that you can move around like that to change the perspective of your object, as you can see here. Now I'm changing these nodes one by one. If you want, you can click and drag over several nodes to select multiples at a time and change them as well, just like that. And the good thing about using Designer for this sort of thing is that this is a non-destructive edit. So if you want, you can go back to your text tool and change this text if you'd like that. Now, once you're finished applying your changes to the object, you can finalize it by going to Layer and selecting Convert to Curves, and that should convert it into a vector path, as you can see there like that with all of those anchor points. So that is how you can go about changing the perspective of an object using Affinity Designer.